Ladies and gentlemen, guys and girls, I welcome you here this afternoon for one of the last auctions in Sydney today, 8 Meadow Street in Concord. It is presented to you today by George Soros and Paul Petnon, who assisted in the campaign over the last 4 weeks. And we're going to see what fair market value is on this wonderful home on the high side of the street. It's a blank canvas. Yes, it does need work, but it's a nice block on the high side of the street in central Concord. Central Concord, which is going to allow you to go to council and see what you can build on there. It is a golden opportunity to do something special. Blank canvas. Terms and conditions are there on display. If you hear the words vendor bid for our proceedings, it's the one and only right we have. But apart from that, it's people that are registered. I wish them all the best. Mr. Soros has been every step of the way. Can I please have that reserved, Mr. George Soros? And let's have a look here on what we've got. Okay, we're here to do business. We're here to do business. We've got a number, and I've got to tell you that I believe if you come here with reasonable expectations, you've got a strong chance of owning something that's going to give you the opportunity to take advantage of the lowest interest rates in living memory. People are rushing in knowing they can lock in low rates and get better loans at the moment. Enough said. Buyers, it's over to you. An opening bid or offer. George wants his reserve back. An opening bid or offer to get us up and going. Angela's taking down the bids. An opening bid or offer. Where do we go? Opening bid or offer. Opening bid or offer. You tell me what's fair market value. Opening bid or offer. Where do we go? I'm in your hands. You tell me. An opening bid or offer to get us up and going this afternoon. Where do we go? Who's going to start it off? Opening bid or offer. What's fair market value? What do you reckon it's worth? You give us a number. The opening bid. Thank you so much. At 2-1 the opening bid, give it there. Bidder 8. 21. At 21's a bid. Now buyers, listen very carefully. Do not wait till you hear the words on the market. They're not in the act, they're not in any terms. They call 3 times and sell and make quite quickly. Here it goes. At 21 is the bid. At 2.1. At $2,100,000 is the money. The call begins. Here it goes. At 2.1, gonna call it once. Here it goes. Get ready. At 21. Gonna call it twice. Here it goes.
2150, Tom.
2150, what's the number? 7. Bidder number 7. $2,150,000 is the bid. At $2,150,000, the bid's there. It's against you. Here it goes. At $2,150,000. Gonna call it once. At $2,150,000. Gonna call it twice. Here it goes. At $2,150,000. Third. 2.2. Wow. Okay, we're going. At 2.2 once. At 2.2 twice. At 2.2.
What number?
10,000. What's the bid? 2210. Bid number 10. 2210 once. Twice. At 2210. Third and final call. 2250 the bid there. Make it 60 before we go. 2250. 2250 there. 60? 60 says yes. Make it 2.3 before we go. At 2260 the bid there. 23. Make it 2310 before we go. At 23 is the bid. 2.3 is the money. Here it goes. Winning bidders there. At 2.3 once. At 2.3 twice. At 2 million. 2310. Make it 2350 before we go. says yes, 23.50. Make it 60 before we go. At 23.50 with Manchester United. Here it goes. At 2,350's a bid. Get ready, buyers. At 2,350,000 once. 2,350,000 twice. At 2,350,000. 2.4, make it 2.5 before we go. At 2.4's a bid. 2.4, make it 2.5 and it's yours, I reckon. 2,450. At 24.50's a bid. $2,450,000. Here it goes. Once. 2,455,000. 24.55. 2,455,000's a bid. At 2,455. Once. 2,455 twice. 2.5. 2.5's the bid. At 2.5's the money. At 2.5's the money. Here it goes. At 2.5 is the bid. We're going. Once. At 2.5, get ready. Twice. At 2.5. 2,510,000. 50? 2,520. 30? 2,520. 2,520 with Man United. 2,520. 2,520's a bid. Here it goes. At 2,520. We're selling. Soros says we're selling. Here it goes. At 2,520,000, going to be sold once. At 2,520,000, twice. 30. 2,550,000. Ladies and gentlemen, those watching here on the line, this property will be sold. We are playing for keeps. The property here is presented to you by George Soros and Paul Petnon from Rain and Horn at Concord. At the moment, we've got a bid of 2,555,000 off the top of my head. 2,550,000. 2,550,000. What do you say before we go? 60. 2,560. 2,560. Property will be sold. Make no mistake. Once. 70. 2,570 and going quickly. Fair warning to all. I'm calling 3 times and selling. At 2,570. Once. 2.6. Here it goes. At 2.6. 2.6. We're going. At 2,600,000. Once. At 2.6 and 10. 2610. Once. 2610. Twice. 2610. Third and final call. All done. All silent. $26.10 is the bid. $2,610,000. We are selling. Yep. 2,500,000. 2,620. Again, you nearly got a discount. Man, just go 2.7. Do a Man United. Put it through today. Just go through. Finish it off. $2,620,000. 30, 50, 2,650. 2,650 is the bid. Here he goes. He's getting stronger as the auction goes on. 2,650 is the bid. 2,650 once. 2,660,000. 2,660,000. Here it goes. 2,660 once. 2,660 twice. 2,660. You're out? Okay. I've got good news for you, Man United. I think you've got it. He said he's out. I'm going to call it 3 times. If there's no further bidding, you've bought yourself a great home. At $2,660,000, the bid is there once. The bid is there twice. At $2,660,000. Third. Yes or no? Third and final call. All done. All silent.